Good afternoon and welcome to another advice clinic. We all hope you enjoyed the celebrations last Friday. Claire and I certainly did in our very own beer garden, complete with private paddling pool for Walter. As you can see, we're still working from home and trying our best to maintain the help and service we pride ourselves upon. Here at MAPS, we are continuously providing a hands-on and practical way to help families save money on mortgage and insurance products. It is our aim to constantly help you feel safe and secure and also provide protection for you and your loved ones. So, in the latest news this week, people in England can go to work. Hang on. No, they can't go to work. Well, they can go to work if they can't work from home. But they mustn't use public transport. But can use it if it's necessary. And if you live in Wales or Scotland, just stay at home. It's all very confusing, but let's just stay alert for now. On a serious note, the government have begun easing some lockdown measures, and Grant Shapps, the Transport Secretary, has urged people to avoid public transport if possible to enable social distancing. Therefore, you need to be sure that certain things are in place. Are you fully protected for going back to work? Well, let's start with car insurance. Is your policy still valid? Did you remember to renew the insurance during lockdown? Remember, MOTs have been granted a 6-month extension, but please check current deals on this. Also, remember, we can quote for your car insurance, so give us a call to see if we can help you save money. Breakdown cover for that car. What if you break down on the way to work? No passing driver will stop to help, and you won't be able to phone a friend to come and help either. So now might be a good time to consider this useful option. Give us a call. It's much cheaper than you might imagine. If you're cycling to work, as recommended by the government, then make sure your bike is insured against theft under your contents insurance. If it's an expensive bike, and they all seem to be expensive nowadays, then you want to be sure it's insured. If you're self-employed, perhaps a construction worker returning to work, is your public liability insurance still in place? Has this run out during lockdown? Have you renewed it? Do you need to take out a new policy? Again, give us a call. We'll be happy to quote and ensure you have the right policy in place at the best possible price. Now that you're allowed to be out and about more, you are obviously and unfortunately more at risk for contracting coronavirus. We are being recommended to wear face masks in workplaces and shops to protect ourselves and others. However, are you protecting your family financially? Do you have life cover? If so, is it in trust to ensure it goes to the right person, i.e. your spouse or your children? Do you have income protection cover? This provides an income if you're unable to work for a period of time. Do you have critical illness cover? This provides a lump sum if you are diagnosed with a serious illness, such as a heart attack, a stroke, or cancer, or so many other illnesses. Nobody wants to think about the worst case scenario, but as we are seeing daily on the news, the worst is happening to too many people. In these uncertain times, it pays to be prepared. We can arrange life cover, income protection and critical illness cover to protect you, your family and your mortgage if necessary, to ensure that if the worst happens, your loved ones are financially secure. Even if you have an existing medical condition, we can still help. This can be done very simply and takes no time at all, and you could be protected immediately. You'd be surprised how affordable it is, with premiums starting as low as £5 per month. it's definitely worth sitting down with a cuppa and doing this with our help and guidance. We pride ourselves on our personal service and really care about our clients, just as we do about our own families. Not only are we now encouraged to return to work, if you can't work from home that is, but under the new rules, we are now allowed to move home. Very strange. Following the shock announcement on Tuesday, lenders have already been in contact with us and are reviewing the ways to safely and logistically get valuers out to properties. This year, I am celebrating 30 years of arranging mortgages and remortgages for clients. How time flies. We'd love to help you move house or remortgage onto a better rate, or possibly release equity to allow for home improvements, or purely just raise capital. During the mortgage process, we will take care of everything for you, whilst keeping you up to date every step of the way. If necessary, we will liaise with estate agents and solicitors to ensure you get the keys to your new home as quickly and as smoothly as possible, or get those additional funds for your home improvements. It is really important to us that you are looked after, and if you have any financial worries or concerns as a direct result of COVID-19, then you must reach out to an expert, including ourselves. Do not suffer in silence. There is always someone to talk to. To get you through your financial challenges, we are always here to help. We would like now to offer each and every one of you our MAPS promise. We will always get the best mortgage product available to you, get you the best protection and the best price, remind you about your mortgage product ending, keep you updated with progress, remind you about your renewals, care about you and your policies, be available by phone and email, and go above and beyond. Finally, and most importantly, we will always look after you and your family the way we want our families to be looked after. We honestly believe our business provides the best personal service, so why don't you give us a call to see for yourselves if we can help with anything at all. Please get in touch. You can contact us on 01388 766 300, direct messenger through Facebook, or simply by email. Sack the juggler. Thanks again for joining me today. Have a great weekend. Stay safe, stay healthy, and most of all, stay alert. Thank you.